hello, and welcome back to Art Unlimited with me, your boy Hayes, your absolute favorite art TV show, art show on the internet. And today I am on site painting this big, huge garage behind me for a fantastic private client, and I could not be happier. That being said, let's get into it. But we're going to be putting a really cool, sweet paint job on the walls so that instead of looking like just a regular old garage, it's going to be a full experience.
Nice.
So what I'm going to be doing is putting a fantastic space theme all the way across this new gym or man cave space. And well, you're just going to have to see what it looks like. All right, so that's it for today. Really excited to do some fill tomorrow. Really excited to finish up the lines on that wall right there. And really excited to keep on doing some really fun things. I said really a lot, didn't I? Anyway, as usual, really happy that I had a chance to do this. And signing out, always remember, be bold, be creative, and be you. Hello, and welcome back to Art Unlimited. Today, we are continuing our project here in this wonderful garage with that space theme that we showed up earlier. Today, I am going to be doing some fills, putting up the rest of the lines on the other wall, and then, of course, doing my best to massage it and get a little funky.
I don't usually do a lot of plugs. You guys know that.
Psych!
For as long as I can remember, I felt different. I was a round peg trying to push myself into a square hole, an individual who believed I had to follow a crowd, and I hated it. Then one day I realized something. My art had always been the way I expressed myself. It told me to be you. And from that moment, I felt authentic and true to myself. Don't apologize, be you.
But what I love is this Evolve paint. Specifically what I love about it, the names Snow Bunny for white. You got stuff like Tweety Bird, Woo Killer Bee. I think that's this one right here. You know?
I didn't have a chance to set up my stand today, tripod. That's what it's called, tripod. I didn't get a chance to set that up today, so I decided I was going to paint without letting you guys see it, but here's a little sneak peek. A lot more interesting than me, huh? Of course, I got a lot more to do here, but I'm just really excited that the fill and that I don't have to think so much about what's going where for the future stuff. So that's pretty cool.
Welcome to Art Unlimited with me, your boy, Hayes. And today we are
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. I know some of these words.
All right, you probably can't hear that. That was pretty terrible. But I'm saying, welcome to Art Unlimited. It's your boy, Hayes, and today we are back at Casa De Neuman. They're here everywhere in Hallandale, and what we're doing is putting together, well, you've already seen a little bit, but we've made some real progress. A couple of facts, a couple of fills. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys some content, and yeah. I've been looking at this painting like right up on it for so long. I didn't realize that so much has come together. It's crazy. Take a look at this. Right? Now it's starting to look like something. I still got some work to do for it, but with the astronaut on it, woo, starting to look like something, baby. You see those highlights, those lowlights? Imagine that all the way around. Can you imagine it? Hello, and welcome back to Art Unlimited. It's me, your boy Hayes, and today we are finishing up this side right here of this large project that we've got going on here in Hallandale, and I couldn't be more excited. So, what are we doing today? The sexy stuff, the special stuff, the thing, the je ne sais quoi that just makes this work pop. You know what it is? Of course you do. Outlines, baby, outlines. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hello, and welcome back to Art Unlimited. It is me, your boy Batman.
I'm Batman.
Hayes. And today we are going to be putting up more on our wall here in Hallandale. Just putting on some fills on the other side, trying to get that special look together. We're going to make this thing look just as good as the side behind me. Okay? So, without further ado, you already know what it is. Let's get to it. Today, I actually was in Wynwood looking for caps to paint, or not paint, but to just be able to paint. And, I don't know if you guys know, but any graffiti artist or anybody into the spray paint knows that these things are like gold, and if you don't got them, then you can't really put anything up on the wall. So if you're looking for caps, I got this place here's got with some of the best prices on caps you can find. Only 25 cents a cap. And that's, well, no cap.
Stop it. Get some help.
Did I do that right? Anyway, check them out. Hello and welcome back to Art Unlimited. You know, it's your boy Hayes, and I am here finishing up a project that we started nearly a month ago now. What? However, it is going great. Big things coming. And I bet y'all thought I wasn't going to show you what was going to happen here, huh? You know?
That
crazy what happens. Whew.
When you just keep going.
Yeah, that's the message. Just keep going. You do that. I've gotten all these outlines up and I got a lot of details going there. You know, you can see some shading, you can see some light sources, some cool stuff like that. Now, what I've got to do is I've got to go into places like here and like there and like there and create some planets, okay? And create some themes. So while it might seem like this is already done and I could probably leave it here, that's just not my nature. I gotta go for the big stuff. Same thing with what's going on over here. As you can see, all these lines, well, these circles up here, right? They don't quite look like a golf ball. And not only that, I forgot to fill in that little spot up there, so we're gonna have to go over there as well. So I really can't wait till this thing is done. I mean, not only because like I'm a little exhausted and, you know, looking at the same wall for a while, you can feel that way. But like when this thing is done, it's going to be its own experience. And that's really, really cool. Right?
2 hours later.
Reflecting in the beauty of what that is. But for now, I want to thank you guys for always being here. Thank you for putting up with my antics. And as always, be bold, be creative, be you.